Well, one day, a colleague of mine, Rob, was here in the junior common room having a beer, and somebody else came up to the bar. This guy was kind of middle-aged guy, good-looking, tall, fit kind of guy who spoke with a Russian accent. Rob didn't recognize him. They had a good chat. They chatted for maybe half an hour. This guy was interested in hockey, so they talked about hockey and so on. And Rob said, "What are you doing here?" And he said, "Well, I'm going to Cuba, but I had to come through Toronto, and I had to see my friend John Fraser, who was the head of Massey at the time." So half an hour passes, then John walks in and says, "Misha, time to go." So Rob and Misha say goodbye, and off they go, Misha and John. A couple of minutes later, a gaggle of junior fellows, very excited, rush in and said, "Was Mikhail Baryshnikov here?" And Rob sort of said, "Oh." He had been talking for a half an hour to the most famous ballet dancer in the world and didn't have a clue. So it just goes to show the things that can happen at Massey and the kind of interesting people you might meet.